Okay, so this is your very own Access Sylvia. So a quick one for those of you who want to join the Zoom meeting via your phone. Okay, so this is how you get to open the link if it has been sent to you. So let's just move on to my phone and get started with it. Okay, so for example, has been sent to this platform or your WhatsApp message, your WhatsApp personally. You could just go to your WhatsApp, then you click. I had one of my team send me this invitation. Okay, so there we have it here. All I need to do is just click on this link. Now if you don't have Zoom, don't worry, it's asking you to accept cookies. You could ignore that or just accept it. You could simply click on here to download from App Store. So if you're on Android, it's going to ask you to download from Play Store, or you can simply click on that. If you already have it installed, you can just click launch meeting. So when I click on launch meeting, what happens? Nothing happens because I don't have it installed. So I'm going to App Store to install that. I'm going to App Store to get that. Okay, so I'm going to get that and we'll dive right back in once I am done setting it up. Now that I have my Zoom installed, I'm going to click on the Zoom icon I see right here in my recent added here. So I'm going to click on that. Then you see join meeting. So we want to join a meeting, so we just click on join meeting. And here is requesting for an ID. So let's go to the WhatsApp message that we received for the meeting and just tap on either the link or the ID. Let's tap on the link. It is going to pull the information. Wow, so you didn't have to do anything, just tap on it and it's saying waiting for the host to start this meeting. Okay, now if you feel you've gone to a wrong place, you can just click the leave you see at the top right corner. You can just click on that and leave the meeting. Now host, can you please start the meeting? Always show video preview dialog when joining a video meeting. You can turn that off or turn it on. Okay, let's leave that on. Then you can click join with video or join without video. So if you don't want to join with video, you can do join without video by clicking on join without video. Now, yes, that just came. We wants to get access to your microphone. You can click OK for that too. Allow notifications, blah blah blah. Okay, so we wanted to notify you, just click on allow, but I'll leave mine as do not allow. Good. So now the host will let you in soon. So I'm still waiting. I'm in the waiting room and I see the host have just let me in. So it says to hear others, please join audio. Okay, so now I am in the meeting.